The sea. Large part of the earth is covered with sea. The sea helps all forms of life on earth. The sea is full of many forms of life, minerals and salt. It produces us with many kinds of fish, lobsters and sea plants. The sea is used as a road to transport goods. A large number of ships that carry containers cross the sea every day. Some law need to be passed in international level to keep man from weeping out the sea and those himself as a result. The sea is an important aspect of the earth. It is because of the sea that we get rain. The water from the sea evaporates and the clouds move over the land. Then rain falls on land. Without rain, there will be no water and all living things will perish. Like and subscribe my channel.